Can now show your toy.
Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that accountancy chapter number 7, depreciation, provision and reserves. This is video number 10. So first we can see one illustration today related to depreciation. So question is this: M.S. Singania and Bros purchased a plant for rupees 5 lakh on April 1st 2017 and spent rupees 50,000 for its installation. The salvage value of the plant after its useful life of 10 years is estimated to be rupees 10,000. Record the journal entries for the year 2016-17 and draw up plant account and depreciation account for first 3 years. Give that the depreciation is charged using straight line method. If the books of accounts close on March 31st every year and the firm charges depreciation to the asset account. So this is a question. When you are getting a question like this, not like this, any question, when if you are going to solve that, when you are going to solve that, first of all that you need to read that question thoroughly. Means this is just one sided. When you are reading, you have to understand that question. What else are there? So here you can see that one company, they purchased one machinery. Okay, the purchase date is given. The date all is important. Okay, here for us, if date is given, that date is also important. Here that date is given. First April 2017. And the purchase price is given. How much is that? 5 lakh. And next it is saying that and spend rupees 50,000 for installation. For installation, how much is paid? 50,000. Clear, no? Next is that the salvage value of the plant after its useful life of 10 years is estimated to be rupees 10,000. That means after 10 years, they assume that that plant, that machine's value may be only 10,000. Clear now? Next again it is saying that record the journal entries for the year 2016-17. That means we need to make this journal entry only for 1 year. That means year ending. Year ending of 2017 and draw up planned account and depreciation amount for first 3 years, given that the depreciation is charged using straight line method, and we need to make a depreciation ledger account for the 3 years, first 3 years. Depreciation account we need to make. Ledger account. Depreciation account means depreciation ledger account we need to make. That is for the first 3 years. And again some things are given, some points are given. The books of accounts close on March 31st every year. That means here we consider that year end as at 31st March. And another thing is that the firm charges depreciation to the asset directly, asset account. That means yesterday you learned that two ways we can charge that. One is that we can create provision and one we can charge directly. Also we learned that for depreciation we can use two methods. One is that straight line method and written down value. In this question it is saying that we can use that straight line method. And here in this question one correction is that actually in question it is given that purchasing date, that is April 1st 2017. Actually that is April 1st 2016 only. Clear no? You correct there. If in any textbook if it is not like that, you please correct there. Okay. So now we can try to solve this. So you understand the first what we need to do. First we have to analyze. So according to our information we have seen that 5 lakh is at the value of asset when it is purchased and installation charges is at 50,000. Now we calculate that price of that machinery or asset value is at 5,50,000 and 5,50,000 is the value of that asset. After 10 years we assume that how much we assume that scrap value we assume that 10,000. That means how much amount we need to write down? 5 lakh 40 how much? Not 5 lakh 40,000. So here we are applying that the formula straight line. So divided by 54,000. Every year we need to depreciate how much rupees? 54,000 rupees. And like this 10 years we need to depreciate. Clear now? And this amount is directly charging from that every year from the book value of the asset. That means the 10 year last year that value of asset will come 0 here. That means 10,000 will remain, that we already assume as that the scrap value. It will reach up to that 10,000. Got clear now? So first we are making the journal entry. For journal entry, that columns are very important. So all the details we need to give. First of all, the journal entry in the books of MS Singhania and Rose. Your first is again read column particulars LF. This is amount in rupees as the debit amount. This is amount credit in rupees So here date is given. So we mention that 2016 April 1st. This is April 1st. Okay. You know that one important of that April 1st now?
Starting of financial year.
Any other? Yeah. It is also April Fool. Okay. That means that the business persons are going to make fool out of their customers. There is no meaning like that. Okay. Okay. Then first is that purchasing of plant. Normally that 5 lakh means you can write as that bank account. Okay. If smaller amount installation charges can be make as the cash. But this thing not depreciation. This plant when we purchase, its value you just see 5 lakh. Normally we can write that bank account. There is even if you write that cash account, if it is not saying that cash or bank clearly, then if you are writing cash also there is no mistake. But it is better that you can use that bank. So we are writing that plant, whatever asset we are writing. Asset account debit. How much rupees is that? That means that company purchased one plant or one asset they purchased. It is not specifically not saying which asset. One machinery they purchased. Okay. You can also write that machinery account there is no problem, or plant account there is no problem. That is correct. And next is that when purchasing, we know that for asset is reaching to us, that asset value is increased 5 lakh. We wrote that 5 lakh. Next is that through bank account. We paid money through bank or through check. So that is amount is 5 lakh. That is why we mentioned that here in your question it is not given cash or bank. Even though you wrote that cash, that is not wrong. But more correct answer is that bank. In your case, what answer is given? Bank. The reason is this. Bank account. The same 5 lakh rupees. Now we mentioned that asset purchase or plant purchase with the plant only purchase. The plant is the plant purchase with that rupees. Okay. The rupees we already mentioned. This is that narrate. We line up this. Then in the same date itself, there is no any other date is given. So on the same date we can assume. If any other date is given, we need to take that date. But here the same date. That again we are debiting that the asset itself. Asset account debit. How much amount? 50,000. Actually this is expense only, but this expense we paid to make this machinery to working condition. We brought the fan, that is not end. That must be, when we put the switch, that must be work. We have to first time. We have to make up to that stage. Then for that fitting charges, if electrician collected 50 rupees or 100 rupees, then that 100 rupees we add with that the value of that fan. For example, you purchased a fan with the 1,500 and paid 100 rupees for that fitting charges. Then we mentioned that the value of that asset is at 1,600, not 1,500. Not clear now. After some time, if it gets damaged or some repairs is taken place, then that will not consider as the asset value. That will be considered as the repairs and maintenance. Clear now? Yes. But first time, very first time, whether it is first product or new product or second hand product, whatever it is, we brought as first time to our firm. We charge at all the installation charges until ready, that we will add with that the asset value itself. And this also you can write that with the cash or bank, there is no problem. Even you are writing this is with the cash, there is no problem because 50,000 only, and it is installation charges. Sometimes that's the same company will do that the installation charges. In that time we pay that together with this amount. This also we can show here, okay? But that is you will not understand that clearly. That is why we mentioned this separately. So here, what are the bank account 50,000. And one other thing you notice that when you are writing that place, you must remember. Okay, once place once, tens place tens in that position you need to write. Here narration is there. Here narration must be given very clearly. Okay. Yes. Expense on installation. This is in the same way. Okay. First April. Next is that we charge that the depreciation. Depreciation value you already got 54,000 in a year. Like that 10 years we need to. And here date is changing. You all to take or understand clearly the depreciation charging for the 1 year only. Not 1 year. Actually, it is not 1 year. But here they purchased that the asset beginning of the year. That is why exactly that is 2016 is given. First April is given. Sometimes it can be purchased in any day or any time in a year. Then from there to year end, that is if year end is given 30% year percent, clearly mentioned that year end is given as that or considered as that 31st March every year. So when we are making that our accounts are closing on that year 31st March, in that time, that means from which month it is purchased. If it is purchased in the month of first January, we will consider from January to how many months are there? January, February, March, 3 months. Then we will find out it's a 3 months depreciation. That means here this is the depreciation for whole year. You understand now? Got clear? Yes. Very simple only. Now you see that we purchased that asset in the year 2016. A month you have to take consideration. First April. That means beginning of the year. Beginning of the financial year we purchased it. And we are making that or closing that the accounts every year 31st March year end. Then there are 12 months time difference is there. 12 months means 1 year we charge that complete depreciation. If you purchase it at 6 months, that means I think October. If it is purchased on 1st October, then just half of this amount only will charge in this year as the depreciation, because we use it only for 6 months. You got no? October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months. No? Then we charge only just half of this amount. Means we use it in this accounting year only for 6 months. So depreciation also will charge only for 6 months. We got that clear now? In this question, we calculated, we assumed this is because we purchased it on the first month of the year. Okay, first month of the year. So we mentioned that in 2017, 31st March. That another thing you have to understand, we find out that the depreciation under straight line method. And here we another thing is given in the question is that we are not charging directly to we are charging this directly to the asset. So we mentioned that depreciation account on debit. How much is that? 54,000. And what we will give?
Plant account.
Plant account. Yeah. This asset means a plant. Okay. Plant account. See one other thing. If you are writing that a plant means everywhere you will write that a plant itself. In between that you won't write any other things. Okay. Then you will get confused and your mark will be reduced. Plant means plant itself. That asset is not asset, plant means one machinery. If you are writing that machinery, then machinery account will be done. And how much is that amount here? 54,000. Narration we give depreciation charge on the asset. Next, again on the same day itself. Okay, that means 2017 March 31st on the same day itself. What we are doing? We are transferring this depreciation to profit and loss account. Then only we will complete. Okay. So this we are reversing. That means actually we are going to cut this and we are charging instead of that we are charging that is flowing in the profit and loss account as expense. So we write that here. Then we are writing not PL profit and loss account itself to depreciation account. Then we give the narration depreciation charge to profit and loss account. That means now depreciation charge on here we mentioned that depreciation charge on assets. That expense from where we get of the profit and loss. Charge on charge to okay charge on charge to E&L. Here you can mention that charge on asset and here you have to write that charge to. Amount is the same 54,000. Normally in manual accounting, what we do now, when this is complete, actually we will total this both sides. And if one page is end, we are writing that page wise page. And whenever that page is completed, normally there also we are totaling that and the total amount beginning of the next page we show. The total amount, not all the amount, the total amount we show in the debit side and the credit side, and that must be equal also. That means we are checking that always. If the amount is varying, that must not vary. Then in that way some mistakes are there. Got clear up to here? This is only 1 year's transaction. We purchase it at the end of the year, we charge it at a depreciation. Clear now?